Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. AI tools have made editing and manipulating photos and videos easy for everyone. Restoring and colorizing an old family photo for me just took seconds using the latest from Google's Gemini. But what about responsibility when it comes to image manipulation? Google DeepMind Group Product Manager David Sharon.
The question of, is this real, has become more of a burning question. So there's two things we do there. One is a visible watermark. So you might see on any image generated on the bottom right, there is this diamond logo. That's a visible watermark to let anybody know that we've generated the image using AI. The second one is an invisible watermark that you can't see.
And can't be cropped out. You can watch or listen to our full interview online. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.